everyone, and welcome to yet another fantastic episode of Asmi. पता है कुछ साल पहले मैं सोचती थी कि मैं जब एंटरप्रेन्योरियल जर्नी शुरू करूंगी कहीं बिजनेस डूब ना जाए और हमारे जैसे बहुत सारे एंटरप्रेन्योर्स का ये सपना होता है कि हमारा बिजनेस सक्सेस करे और बड़ा हो और बड़ा होता जाए. बट थिंक अबाउट इट कि कभी आपने अपना बिजनेस शुरू किया और कुछ साल के बाद पैंडेमिक जैसी अजीब सी चीज आ गई दुनिया में और आपको लगा सब कुछ यही खत्म होने वाला है. बट इस मझधार में फंसी नैया को बाहर पार लगाना और उसको निकालना भी एक कला है. आज के हमारे एपिसोड में जो गेस्ट हैं अभिषेक जामवाल, he actually left his 10-year-old career as chartered accountant and he started into a business space जहाँ पे वो ऑफिस को-वर्किंग स्पेसेस शुरू कर रहे थे. और पैंडेमिक के टाइम ऑफ कोर्स यू नो कि थिंग्स वेंट हेवाया और उनका बिजनेस थोड़ा सा आउट ट्रैक चला गया. बट ही हेल्ड इट बैक. He held it back with strong force और आज Ubaya is not just growing, it is super profitable and it is doing wonderful job. Let's meet Abhishek Jamwal, who left his corporate career of 10 plus years and started his own entrepreneurial journey into co-working spaces called as Ubaya. तो आइए मिलते हैं अभिषेक जी से on our episode. Hi Abhishek, welcome to Asmi episode. It is wonderful and pleasure to have you here.
Thank you for inviting me.
Great. So Abhishek, starting your journey as chartered accountant, आपको कैसे लगा कि आपको ये सब कुछ रोक के आपको एंटरप्रेन्योरियल जर्नी शुरू करनी चाहिए?
इसकी the story is very long.
हाँ.
So since I belongs to very tier 4 city, so when I was in my 10th standard, I was of the view that in the life someday I have to become entrepreneur. Though we are from very typical family, middle class, father in SPI, 4 sons, 2 daughters, what he has given us is the good habit और life में चलना कैसे है, there is no shortcut. So at that time I was not aware what we'll do, and this is the story of 95. So I was of the view factory लगाएंगे क्योंकि this what we have seen at that point of time क्योंकि ये service industry knowledge based economy तो थी नहीं. So that was there somewhere, but पहले था कि let us become CA what I wanted to become, और फिर था कि let's come out from those cities and go to the tier 1 cities. So I landed in Bangalore with the help of my boss at that time. And then I started working because हम लोग जब आते हैं तो हमारे कोई godfather नहीं होते, you have to done on your own. और काम बहुत किया. And I was very clear, because aim was clear कि जाना कहाँ था. So for me, I was so in depth कि in first 4 years in my corporate careers, 3 bosses was there for me, all was reporting back to me. So business acumen develop किया and all thing I understood how the run. I went into learning the HR, the human psychology, how to handle team people. और right time का wait कर रहा था, right time आया. But when the right time came, then mind और heart के बीच में शुरू हुआ युद्ध. That एक salary होता है 30th आ रहा है and I was sitting as a good fat salary for me, that was a very good salary. जहाँ बैठे थे there also I was working as a co-founder, so everything was set. But then I came out and then I took good 6 months to gain the fight over mind and the heart. And finally जो मैं हमेशा सोचता हूँ कि we should listen to our heart, क्योंकि वहाँ से emotions आते हैं. Mind is emotionless, correct? So फिर then I started Ubaya. Yes, जब Ubaya start किया तो all things well because I have handled business and also it was much easier for me to yes, scale is any time a problem, correct? So from there the journey started. We started with 1 and today we have all together around 160 people.
Wow, that's amazing. पहले तो आपके साथ मैंने हाई-फाई किया कि आप भी बिहार से हैं, मैं भी बिहार से हूँ. दूसरा हाई-फाई एक और एक देना पड़ेगा क्योंकि आपके पिताजी भी SBI में काम करते थे, मेरे पिताजी भी SBI में काम करते थे. So that's a great connect. दूसरा ये है ओबेया। जब नाम सुना, आई जस्ट वांटेड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज ओबेया और इसका मतलब क्या है।
So this most of the people ask me. There is a very in-depth meaning of this name. You know, I worked in Japanese company. You know, my first company wherein I was, and I really admire the way they work. You know, the detailing they go, the process they because there are so many big companies, they have become scale up because of their process. So when I started, when we were searching for the name, I was very clear. कोई spaces name नहीं होगा. You know, there has to be a meaning. So Ubeya in Japan, you know, which is more of production, manufacturing related, every day morning before the senior leaders goes to the production floor, they will meet in one room, which is more of a pictorial room, wherein they will discuss about this process will end, sorry, then the second process will start. So the second process, what planning has to be done. And this meeting every day, which nowadays we call a scrum meeting, stand-up meeting. So this meeting happens in a room. That room in Japanese language is called obeya.
ओबेया।
So they say think together, work together, you know. So that's where we took the name.
And that's where the concept of co-working spaces came into your mind and you started this. But co-working spaces क्यों? यहाँ पे क्या scope आपको लगा? क्यों लगा कि आपको ये एक और एक co-working space की जरूरत है?
True. नहीं तो क्या है, being the CFO, I was the CFO for an asset listed company. Being the CFO, I was aware that sales may not I will able to help the company to grow more, correct? But जो expense part है, that was with the CFO, correct? That whether you ask your procurement team to bargain hard to get more better deal, to structure more better deal. So my every time view was on the expense, you know. And when we work in a service industries, you know, your the biggest chunk will be your salary cost. The second chunk will be on the real estate. You know, be it your rental, your maintenance, then your tea, coffee. Those infrastructure costs will be the biggest one. That's where I thought कि this is where I have to start my journey, because वो तो एक mind में था कि something has to be done.
Correct.
So that's where it happened that if there is a space which is on a shared basis, क्योंकि अगर आप देखेंगे तो 2008 recession के बाद post 2008 recession, the shared economic culture came, correct? Before that, shared economic culture was not there.
Right.
And that culture initially was towards the B2C or Ola, Uber, all was B2C. B2B में फिर भी कम थे.
Right.
So that's where मेरे को लगा कि नहीं, this is where if we do a shared space, you know, a shared space, company can save the money.
Absolutely.
So that's where we entered into this concept of managed office space, wherein you know things are shared, but still it is your own office. So आप जब एक बार अपने ऑफिस के अंदर आ गए हैं, वो जो चार दीवारी है, that four walls, that belongs to you. But the other common area, let it be common. Why you want to pay for that?
Absolutely. And that comes as a blessing to lot of people who are starting up for small SMEs etc. जिनको अपने suddenly अपने expenses कम करने थे. I think you guys were there at the perfect time. But when you opened, वहाँ से लेकर एक बीच में अचानक ये पैंडेमिक जैसी चीज आ गई जो लोगों ने सुनी भी नहीं थी. तो ये क्या इफेक्ट किया आपको पैंडेमिक और कैसे आप इससे उभरे?
So obviously कि जितना जो है हमने बताया कि why I went into the corporate and why it was much little easier for me to start, क्योंकि that corporate experience with an objective one day I have to start. I started learning with that, so it was easier. But जब ये pandemic आया, this is a business risk. This risk, I will never imagine that something like this risk will come, and I can be sure that no one, you know, might be everyone may not say, they say no, I foresighted, but I can tell you no one has imagined something like this will happen in the world, and that world, which are so proud that you know scientifically we have grown up so high, correct? उस world में ऐसा कुछ होगा, तो और जब for a risk you are not ready, you know, so you don't know how to handle it.
Correct.
So same way when pandemic came, first 3, 4, 5 days, which was 23rd March start हुआ, 3, 4, 5 days तो you know really feel very good, because वो risk का मालूम नहीं था कि what is how big is the risk, correct? So first 3, 4 days तो you know office नहीं जाना है, no calls, you know, life is chill. But as the month end started and our clientele, some of the clientele started calling that we need to vacate and all. Though I keep myself positive, because I know that if your mind is full, you will find the answer of every problem.
Correct.
Because this is what I have followed in my life, that if there is a problem, there is a solution.
Right.
And if there is a problem for which there is no solution, that is not a problem for me because I can't solve it. So why no? That is not a problem
This is
for me.
beautiful.
So so clients started calling me, we need to vacate. My business has happened. So I told one of the client who is still there with me, and they are at the 3 times of the size of the company which they were in 2020. They called me on first keynote. We say I have to vacate. I said, Anand, neither you can come to hand over the keys, nor my guys can go to collect the keys. Let it be there wherever it is there. This problem which is there, pandemic, it will come over one day.
Okay.
If it will not come over, why do you think about this problem today? Then, little negativity started, some landlord calls and all this. So the next 4-5 days was really bad. We went through what has happened, how to cope up. But 6th day again I was back to that this problem is not with me, this problem is in the world. So let's say in your industries everyone is growing and you are not growing. Then it's a worrisome that what you need to do. Here I was aware that उस समय तो even government became bankrupt.
Correct, yeah.
So so इसका solution ढूंढना है now cribbing on the problem will not achieve anything. Then yes, we started talking to the client. Hold on, things will set right. Let's see how it will pan out. To the landlord also was the same thing, and people then started supported each other also. The ecosystem has to work on the basis. क्योंकि आपने देखा होगा कि उस समय लोगों ने ट्रेन पे जाके खाना दिया, ये दिया. तो obviously human being has supported each other at that time.
Correct.
Same thing happened in business. The ecosystem, will start supporting you if you plan them well.
Okay.
Why I am asking this support? What will happen in future? So at that time to come out of the business was very simple with the client. Okay, it has hampered you. You move out, no problem. Because some other business industries will come up. So at that time we started having good inquiries. Then EdTech came.
Right.
The new business model will
New business
evolve.
model.
Yes, we took a hit on our P&L, but we are a very conservative company. Without profit, though, we don't run because we believe in that. Be it anyone's money, every money has to give a return, correct? So up to 2021, starting March, the first year was, we only saw the churn of the clients, correct? Many of the clients, wanted to reduce their space or they want to vacate. We never rolled it. We have not put the case on any of my clients, though they were under the lock-in. We have not done, and 90% of the clients are back. And today I am growing on much better with the few of the references which was given by them.
Oh wow, wonderful. I think the space has now grown for the tech companies. Even the tech giants are now looking at this space. Not just the small companies, but even the big ones
True.
are saying that we want to. So उनके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताएंगे कि how they are looking at this space as well.
अभी क्या है कि देखिए initially this, so it is no more earlier ये industries, before pandemic. Actually, pandemic has become blessing for us.
Correct.
For this industry. So earlier people view was there that the managed or the co-working space is only for the startup. It is only for them who doesn't have money. Now it became visibility.
Right.
Now even this giants, I have 3 Fortune 500 companies to whom we serve. So why they comes to us? That work from home. Now they feel that people has become little used to. So we may start opening let's say in Bangalore 2 offices so that it become near to their home. Or we open one office, let's say at Indore, Jaipur, those strategic locations. They know that we cannot open on their own, correct? Then they have to hire more people, then P&L wise it will not justify them. Hence, for them coming to this flexible workspace becomes very much vital.
Absolutely.
From the point of view of their P&L, attracting more people to come to the office.
Right.
That's where they are moving to us. And once they came to us, once you test the blood, then you feel okay. This was the better one. Why I was doing all this, giving bigger lock-in, fighting with the landlord, hiring on my own, ensuring all the compliances at my end. It's better let me focus on my core job. This anyway has been outsourced. So now they have seen the benefit, be it P&L related or day-to-day compliance related.
Absolutely.
So now they are falling back more and more on us.
More on the defense.
That's wonderful. And now Obaya is how many centers are there?
Now we have 24 centers.
24.
We have reached to around now 12,000 seats. Uh, Within next 3 months, we will be at two more locations than the Bangalore.
Oh,
Yeah.
wonderful.
And all again, with my existing clients.
And what is your vision of Obaya? आप क्या देखना चाहते हो Obaya को in few years down the line?
I see every time I'm working towards Obeya, it's not only a real estate company.
Hmm.
You know.
Absolutely.
So every time I am looking at that, we meet those world class standards. The compliances. That I think for India next to grow, you need to become big, correct? When you are going to fight with those big players of $5 trillion economy, your thoughts also has to be bigger. Your compliances has to be bigger, correct? You cannot be thinking like a 100th company, 100th one, and want to be in the top three. So I want to have a real estate which ensures all those compliances. Wherein these world class companies, when they come from there, they feel that they are at their home.
Hmm.
Second thing is that I am looking at to make a space which is so integrated that you come to this space and all your business needs, be it your space, be it your legal, your recruitment, your food, your stationery, everything is under one roof. So it becomes a one-stop solution for you.
Wonderful.
So which we call it as, that government is also working on ease of doing business.
And that is the uniqueness of Aya. That जो और typical जो co-working spaces हैं which are the famous ones और बड़े हो चुके हैं already and all that. I see that they actually provide an environment of work come play ज़्यादा. यहाँ पे you are really taking care of the official part of it and the necessary part of it, the functional part of it rather than something else, right?
True. But sometimes, yes, see, there is very thin line of difference, no?
Yeah.
Between the pampering and taking care. So you need to
Very well
have
said.
that very fine cut that where it converts into, that you are helping with psychologically, giving the good ambience
Correct.
and pampering. So for sure, where we never fall under the pampering mode. But yes, for the employee who comes here to our space to work, we have games zone. We provide them on some of the alternate Fridays. We have started setting up our, there wherein we are calling the singers among the employees from our clientele only.
Wow.
So a good get together happens. Because then those are also important.
Absolutely.
To keep your mind. But we'll never fall under the pampering on that beer is with. That we will never fall into.
Very very clearly and very well said. आपके बारे में ये भी सुना था कि you are also promoting lot of content creators and you focus on that space very clearly. So उसके बारे में आप थोड़ा सा बताएंगे what is Goonj all about and how do you manage that?
So, again, like Goonj is a part of my overall vision of Obeya. Okay. So, obviously, मेरे को हमेशा because it is there that the youth has to be supported. Correct. Monetary value should not stop the innovation. Correct. Yes, I am not a philanthropist. होगा. जब होगा तो that also we will see. But at present, I thought that whatever I have, if in that I can start helping, the youth, the innovations. Now, because we had a space, so and this was the part of our overall idea to start a space for the creators.
Wow.
Because I have a space, so I don't have any incremental cost. We are sitting in a space. This space is space, correct? All the money has already been put in. So we will be offering it such an affordable to students that let them do their innovation. That was the entire idea for the Goonj to start. We waited actually, we would have done last year. We were waiting for the right moment to enter into.
You're saying that a student who's planning to become any kind of content creator, they can just approach you and they can get the space at very affordable space.
Very affordable space. When our pricing will come initial few episodes, they can do free of cost.
Free of cost as well.
Also, yeah. Because see, the idea is that if God has given me something,
Right.
I want to utilize that.
Absolutely.
Correct? So it will be given to those, and this Goonj will be used by the company also. For sure, my company will be my first target clients because they are using right now other studios. with them for sure the charges will be associated.
Correct.
You know, but for those young guys or let's say a new budding artist or budding entrepreneur who is coming into that, for them this space will be free.
This is amazing. I mean, being a content creator myself, I'm very excited to hear this, and I'm sure कि जो भी listeners हैं और जो सुन रहे हैं, उन लोग को ये part बहुत exciting लगेगा सुन के कि there is a space already being created for them and there's so much help that is already available. लोगों को बस पता नहीं है. So अगर आप लोग please सुन रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं, तो please go and approach Ubaya for any of your content writing work. They can definitely help.
Sure.
Now coming back to you.
And in that, just to add that
Yeah,
it is not at our one of the centers. We will have this across the Bangalore. So we have taken, like South Zone, East Zone, North Zone. So like to say HSR, Koramangala, Outer Ring Road, MG Road, Hebbal area. Because we have our spaces everywhere. So now in each of our spaces, we'll create one meeting room space, which will be only used for the content creation. So no need that you have to travel. It is not near to your home. So we are basically bringing the studios, to your home.
Wonderful. That's amazing, Abhishek. और बहुत ही अच्छा लगा सुन के and the whole journey around Abaya कि कैसे आपने शुरुआत करी, कैसे आपने. But before we let you go, I also want to understand from you that who is Abhishek Jamwar and where you get your inspiration from. What are the values that you live by? थोड़ा सा आप अपने बारे में बताइए.
Obviously positive part बताया जाएगा.
Positive बात बताया जाती है.
So obviously, I every time believe in that, the mother is the first one, correct? मैं हमेशा अपने बच्चों को भी कहता हूँ कि आप बड़े होके फादर को you take care or not, the mother is the first one. क्योंकि वो एक ऐसा चीज है ना जिसमें कोई वो प्राइसलेस है. ऐसा नहीं है कि मदर हैज गिवन बर्थ टू अ किड और टेकिंग केयर उसको बड़ा कर रही है फॉर द वांट इन रिटर्न इन फ्यूचर समथिंग, करेक्ट? तो वो गॉड का एक ऐसा क्रिएचर है जिसका कोई एंड दिस व्हाट आई बिलीव इन दैट व्हेन वी आल्सो वर्क, वी शुड आल्सो थिंक फ्रॉम दैट पर्सपेक्टिव फॉर द सोसाइटी.
Right.
Everything is not transaction. Things should be emotionally driven, correct?
Absolutely.
So the first inspiration comes from there कि कैसे, without being selfish, no, you have to work.
Right.
Right. So the first inspiration
The
comes from there.
unconditional love
Unconditional.
or
True.
of mother जो आप कहना चाहते हैं.
Yes.
That's amazing. और रही बात आपकी, आप अपने क्या वैल्यूज आप सामने पुट करते हैं कि आपके क्या जीवन के इंस्पिरेशन है, प्रेरणा कहाँ से मिलती है?
नहीं, obviously you meet so many people
Yeah.
in the life, but obviously you will get impacted, by very close ones, correct? क्योंकि केवल किसी को सुन लेने से आपको नहीं होता है, when you walk the talk, you spend the time then जब आपने गुड टाइम, टफ टाइम, बैड टाइम सब कुछ देखा है. So obviously I really admire my wife. So she is Supriya Jamwar. So she is now, she's a very good artist in Mandala. So she has got to India Books of Records, one time into Asia Book of Records.
That's
I mean,
amazing.
now we have applied for Lalit Kala Academy Award. And she was an artist in her time. Then she did, her study, normal study again from Bihar, middle class family. जैसे चलता है उस समय, क्योंकि फादर मदर का उस जमाने में होता है कि शादी करना. That
Yeah,
was the,
that was the only main thing.
the main thing. उनको डर होता था पहले ज्यादा पढ़ा देंगे तो ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम है. तो हमारे जैसे अच्छे लड़के नहीं मिलेंगे. you know so she started और ये चीज हमारा क्लियर था that I was not looking at that time working one because value system था कि थोड़ा टाइम फैमिली को देना होगा because we were having the big family. But one thing was also clear कि as we are moving towards the nuclear family, जब हम घर से बाहर आके बैंगलोर में रहेंगे तो obviously once the kids has grown up, जब वो 10 years के हो जाते हैं तो ये उल्टा हो जाता है. You have to seek the time because they need a room, they need their own friends, उनको अपना स्पेस चाहिए. आप every now you are superimposing. तो आपको अगेन तो थिन लाइन रखना हो. It was very clear that once the time will come, when that journey is completed, you will be doing something. And she's creative, तो अभी in the just before the COVID she started. तो जब मैंने देखा कि a person who has not touched the canvas for 15 years,
Right.
You know, who can start, and the way I have seen her working. I have seen the way she completes the work. आज कोई client के order होंगे. Obviously, I have some role to play in that कि उसको packing करवाना है, उसको the shipment होना है. If the shipment gets delayed half an hour, she is so finicky about the client satisfaction that no, what they will feel. They have paid us.
Right.
No, it has to go first.
Correct.
So the detailing what I am looking at her or the work है, so how to value that. Though no one is still pressurizing you, correct? Art and all is not that where client is saying, no, I need tomorrow. Correct? It's a handmade and all. But जो उनके अंदर dedication है, I think there is a learning curve in that.
Absolutely. And the way you're beautifully speaking about your wife and the way we are hearing the story, I'd love to have her on Asmi as well and try to understand from her कि क्या exactly उन्होंने किया है, कैसे उनकी journey शुरू हुई. But we need people like you who support their wife in their entrepreneurial journey also, who look at things from a different angle, not just कि हाँ ये घर चलाएगी, that's it. क्योंकि हमारे असमी में बहुत ज्यादा फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस को बहुत ज्यादा प्रेफरेंस देते हैं वुमेन के लिए, तो इसकी वजह से हम लोग ये स्टोरी बाहर लाना चाह रहे थे सो दैट लिसनर्स थोड़ा सुन के इंस्पायर हो सके.
नहीं, वो देखिए क्या है कि in the life there is a role to play.
Yes.
Correct. No role is bigger, no role is smaller. Correct. जो हम लोग करते हैं ना कि if I am hungry now, I need food now. अगर आप मेरे को कल देंगे so nice food देंगे, मैं कहूँगा बस there is no value left for this. Correct. तो हर चीज करने का एक अपना टाइम है. करेक्ट. और उस टाइम पे वो काम होना चाहिए. करेक्ट. तो मैं तो जैसे उनको बोलता हूँ कि भैया इन 10 years मैं रिटायरमेंट लूंगा. I will be good at stage. I will be good at stage, and I feel proud sometimes. So like अभी now we will be going to Delhi to receive one award. तो first that guy says कि आर्टिस्ट को पास मिलेगा. मैंने कहा भाई ये this is wrong. This is wrong. You have to give to me for my husband. I have also put in effort.
You are the inspiration behind the artist.
So when they heard and I received the call after 2 days, they says, okay, for sure, you should receive that. When you are saying, no, boss, it is their hand, and when you are supporting your wife so much, and not only the wife, when you are asking a female to become the independent or whatever is, the artist or whatever you are good at a skill, you are bringing it out, you have a right to come. So after 2 days, I got, so after, I think in next 3 months, we have to go to receive that award. And I will be feeling very happy.
That's amazing. And I'm sure that I'm going to follow your stories and your LinkedIn post now to see what is the award and how you guys got it. It is absolutely pleasure to talk to you and hearing the story of कि कहाँ आपने CA से जर्नी शुरू करके फिर आप एक अबाया का एक एम्पायर खड़ा किया है, अपनी वाइफ को किस तरह से आप सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं और कितना this whole journey is so beautiful. But before I let you go, I have to do a small fun rapid section with you. अब ये रैपिड सेक्शन में मुझे बड़े छोटे छोटे आंसर्स चाहिए आपके, बट मोस्टली कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड टुवर्ड्स यू. इट इज अबाउट यू, नॉट ओबाया, नॉट एनीवन, बट अभिषेक झांबार ओनली. ओके, सो आपका फेवरेट हॉलीडे कहाँ होता है? बीच, माउंटेन, कहाँ आप जाना प्रेफर करते हैं?
Where my friends are around.
बस फ्रेंड्स जरूरी है. बीच, माउंटेन कहीं भी बैठा दो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. So mostly the vacations are with friends or family vacations?
No, family vacations are there.
हाँ.
But आप obviously ज्यादा मजा वो फ्रेंड्स वाले में करते हैं. So इसीलिए मैं फेवरेट में फ्रेंड्स का नाम लिया.
और आपका फेवरेट फूड क्या है?
Now as the age is creeping in, थोड़ा फेवरेट फूड नहीं बचा है. But otherwise any non-vegetarian was hardcore non-vegetarian. So that was the favorite food. But favorite food के बारे में still there is one fight which happens between me and my wife every time. तो जब मैं बहुत छोटा था तो मेरी माँ now I have lost my mother 2 years back actually. तो मेरा एक फेवरेट फूड होता था, उसको हम लोग अपने साइड में रसिया बोलते थे. वो खीर होता है, गुड़ से बनता है.
हाँ.
वो मिल्क में और चावल डाल के.
Correct.
तो शुगर की जगह उसमें ये डाला जाता है.
छठ में खरना
हाँ,
बनता है.
बनता है. तो दैट वाज माय वन ऑफ द फेवरेट फूड, और वो माँ ही बनाएगी. तो शादी हुआ तो व्हेन माय होता है ना, वाइफ वुड हैव आस्क्ड माय मदर इन लॉ ये वो. फिर बाद में एक दिन बोली कि ऐसा है कि देखो यार, ये फूड यू हैव टू चेंज फेवरेट वाला। हमने कहा कि वो कहा ये बनेगा नहीं।
Okay.
तो स्टिल बट जब भी तो हमने बोला कि नहीं है, दैट फूड इज माय फेवरेट व्हेन माय मदर कुक्स, ये भी क्लियर है।
माँ का हाथ लगना जरूरी है।
उस फूड में तो लगना बहुत जरूरी था,
बहुत जरूरी है।
यू नो। बट यस, नॉन वेजिटेरियन एनी टाइम वाज, you know, his favorite today also.
Wonderful. And when you have to go out, what is your go-to wear typically? कि अगर आपको कहीं जाना हो casually या officially, what is the typical things that you wear? What's your style like?
नहीं तो ये थोड़ा वर्ड इज नॉट सूटेड ऑन, यू नो, वो स्टाइल का तो ऐसा नहीं है, बट यस, एनीथिंग यू नो विच इज वेरी लूज,
Okay.
you know, when I go on vacation,
Only when you go on vacation.
like jeans and all. So now I started. तो जबकि मेरा छोटा भाई तो वो पहले उसको मैंने देखा है कि 3 days सो भी जाएगा उसी में। मैं हाउ यू मैनेज दिस।
But it is wonderful to hear. I wish that I could continue this conversation longer
No.
क्योंकि मजा बहुत आ रहा था। ये तो I can guarantee you. I'm sure listeners को भी बहुत मजा आएगा. Thank you so much for coming and sharing all these stories with us, with our viewers. We would love to invite your wife sometime as well. अगर कभी मौका लगे तो प्लीज उनको बोलिएगा, उनके मंडाला आर्ट लेकर हम लोग लेकर आएंगे,
Sure.
देखिए कि क्या
Sure.
exactly वो बनाते हैं.
Thank you.
So respect females is what he says. Abhishek Jamwar, who started as a chartered accountant, ended up becoming an entrepreneur with so many startup ecosystem to support. He has actually started co-working spaces where you can come create your own creativity, and he is a hardcore supporter and fan of his wife. What else would you need, right? So, if you have such stories to tell, please do write to us. If you like this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to this episode. And if you have a story to tell, then please write to us, and we would be happy to have you as a guest over here at Asmi Podcast. And this is Iti Rawat signing off from this episode. Thank you.